Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So it's gonna be a quick video. I don't know why, but I'm so tired. But so it's gonna be a pretty short. So usually when we have these, right, we identified the blue algo, teal algo. In the AM session early on. However, like you see this, right? Some people would be rushing in to take this trade. However, I just say just wait for all the algos to come out, the orange, the purple. Like just wait for these algos to show itself, and then you can be more safe taking a trade, right? And here's exactly what happened, right? Teal, we closed this cup, inverse cup right here, handle right there, and that was so beautiful off the break of yellow, right? And you can see it rejecting, right, and staying within the orange as well, right? So really good risk to reward right here, right? So break of yellow right here, and it rejected yellow right here as well, rejected orange, and then we just kept going down. And this was a good risk to reward trade because 5-day was the supposed support right here, right? So the risk would have been just 5 cents, right? So this was like I think a 80-cent move down, right? So you're risking 5 cents for a 80-cent move, and this was a 4-figure trade for me right here, okay? And then you just gotta hold on to it, and basically you have to understand the purple algo in this sense, right? So you can see if the price, right, reclaimed purple right here, right, which it didn't, right? You can see this nasty rejection right here, right? So that was the telltale sign of continuation structure going down, right? Because easily price can have a reversal right here and bounce up, okay? But so you have to notice the signs of when it's pushing down, and thankfully the purple algo was there, right? So we knew it rejected purple right here, and it was gonna keep heading down, and then you just manage your trade right here, right? But of course, I would always secure some profits, protect your trade here, and hold the rest till all the way down, right? Second trade, it was right here. This was pretty harder catch trade to catch because of this bigger candle right here. So it was a big move that happened pretty quick, and I just didn't like it much, so I didn't enter this one. Then the last one right here was right here, right? However, I didn't like this either because right here it was there were too many competing algos here, so I didn't really take that, right? But then again, you have this orange, right? And then you can see us breaking orange right here, actually, right? So here, the why I would take this reversal trade is because of us being guided up by the green algo, right? So this was the algo that you had to look out for to show up, right? Which you actually identified at around the morning time as well, right? 11-ish, right? So you just have to look out for that algo, which brings us up, right? So taking the trade here was pretty safe as long as you managed to be in this green algo, right? Then this is another 4-figure trade. So in total, I'm about up like 5 figures today, okay? So that's freaking amazing. Then you just have to notice the continuation structure, the structure in general, right? To short this, you would want to wait for it to break teal microstructure, right, and then close this inverse cup right here. But that's not what happened. We're just finding safety at 5-day, and even the continuation structure to go up, right? We just have to wait for a cup to close, like with a strong structure right here, right? Take it on the right and all the way up, and then close a bigger cup at 528, 529-ish area, okay? So this would be the you could honestly wait for the full cup to close and then take the trade, right? That's what I was looking for actually. But of course, if you could find these scalps right here, take it. There was a scalp right here as well. Oh wait, where I took the trade. But you I think it was like actually it was right here, okay? So we noticed this. I'm gonna make it clear. Okay, so you notice this double top, right? Then the break of yellow right here, and then all the way again. You have to be careful of the 20-day. You see how we just reversed up top, right? So you really have to make sure that we're still being guided down, right, by the red, and we're not finding support in this area, and we did find support in this area with this green candle right here. So which is what brought us down, right? And we didn't have really the support of the pink as resistance, right? Because you see how we just kept moving above pink. So you have to take profits when you see that we're not resisting at pink. Instead we're breaking pink again and then heading back up, right? And then yeah, this has been a chop. So I'm pretty tired today, so I don't know if there's another 7-point move that's gonna happen out of nowhere, right? I'm sad. But yeah, guys, just and I'm gonna show you the 30-minute as well. So why do I have this? Okay, so wait. So okay, so I'm gonna show you this trade that you could have also taken at like 11, right? 11:30. So it was the same trade that I showed you right here, I believe. Yeah, like it was around right here, right? So if you notice the 30-minute, so it was the easier trade to take if you notice that 30-minute with the 1 minute, right? So the 30-minute gave us that clue, right? 12 it dropped. But yeah, if we're waiting for it to go back up, right, we're gonna close this cup, right? Another microstructure of pink, right? Right, just wait for the price and then close this cup right here, right, at the 530 level. But if we are headed down, what to look out for is basically another white algo right here, right? So we're gonna see right here, and then reject white right here, and then close this inverse cup again at 519, 520 level. Okay, so that's if we're headed down. So wait till tomorrow. Wait till we get a clear indication on the trend, right? We're still not. Let me show you. We're still not in a clearly defined trend yet. We need to wait to see if 5-day is becoming support, right? If 5-day is support right here, or if 5-day crosses the 20-day, right? If 5-day crosses the 20-day, that's a bearish. That's a bearish sign, an indicator, right? So trade structure, right? Find support right here. If it doesn't, let's see what happens, right? And then we're gonna use the 5-day as resistance going down, right? And then we're if we go down 5, 6, 17 level is pretty good support right here. But yeah, all right, guys. Have a great day. Ready for tomorrow. Today was a pretty good day in itself. And every day you just notice like all this. You just notice the resistance. You just notice when to take the trade, when to when to take the trade, when it's a good risk to reward, right? You don't want to take the risk trades that the algos are just fighting against with each other, right? Wait for the big plays, right? The big play, for example, right here, you clearly see that we were in this orange, right? And there was a great risk to reward right here, right? So that's why you would take trade like this where there's no support anywhere, right? And pink, we broke through pink as well, guided down by the red. So yeah, it was a pretty good trade there. And just wait for the A+ setups, because the A+ setups are what the 5-figure trades come, right? And you can make 5 figures every day if you want to. Okay, all right, guys, have a great day. Oh, also I want to show you my trade entry. Holy shit! So I'm not lying. Downloads, I think. Downloads. I had it pulled up. Why did it delete? Finder. Okay. Okay, I don't want to show you. Okay. Okay, so this is my trade that I took. You can see at 10:44 right here. Right here. Okay, so I took it at that green candle, and then yep, and got it down by that red. So I'm not a scammer. I provided proof, and hopefully I just didn't leak information. I'm gonna check if I did. If I did, I'm probably gonna leave that out of the video. Anyways, guys, bye.